Hi, I'm Kate Coffey-Bacon, and I'm part of the Atlanta Doug community. One of my favorite personal wins from being a part of a local Doug meetup is the real connection. I've built friendships, I've found mentors, and had meaningful conversations that have led to business growth and even a few collaboration opportunities. If you're thinking about attending your first Doug meetup, just do it. It's welcoming, it's practical, and full of people who really understand this space. In my Dynamics hood, my Doug hood, folks like Patrick Johnson, Lokesh Patel, Stephanie Clark, Ryan Polniak, Shannon Mullins are all familiar faces at our meetings. The bigger Doug events are great for networking and learning on a larger scale, but I like knowing who's in my backyard. We have a whole crew of smart, generous people who have become my go-to sounding board. We're building a whole lot more than software. We're building community. Come hang out at a Doug meetup. If you let me know, I'll be sure and save you a seat.